Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me for another early summer garden harvest here in my small backyard garden. So let's get started. So here, this is my third early summer garden harvest. So far, it really has been rainy, and because it's hurricane season, I want to harvest it already before you get the damage. So start here with beans. So I have a lot of beans, and it still keep on producing lots of beautiful beans. Look at this one, very deep red, dark red, purple yard long beans are really very productive. This is like my 8 times, I guess, to harvest them, and this is so prolific. And over this way, my tiny team tomatoes start to ripe many fruits. So look at this, plump, shiny, tiny team tomatoes. These are really very cute and short. And over here, let's see what we have. And my wild tomatoes and jar tomatoes are still really ripening, and I'm so happy because they still have lots of fruits here. So I'm gonna speed this one, guys, because it's a lot. So here, there's a lot of clumps of my wild tomatoes. I highly recommend this. This is really very good, low maintenance, and it's a vining type of tomatoes. This is really funny one because it does have, the leaves starts to curl up to vine itself, and it's really very prolific. Here I still have some more my beefsteak tomatoes. Look at this, very shiny. So I'm gonna grab this one because I plan to cook it today. So here, look at this. As you can see, guys, it already start to open. It says there that when it starts to open like that are correct, while still ripening, it's much more sweeter. Have some more cherry tomatoes here. What are you been growing in your summer garden today? Please comment down below. I'm excited for you. Look at this, cherry tomatoes, really super sweet. I have a lot of small tomatoes here, and they are really great for snacking. And over this way, the last time I had harvested my bottle gourd, and this time I got a new bottle gourd to harvest. This is so fun. Look at this, guys, and I'm planning to really gonna cook this bottle gourd today as well. Let's see. Oh my, before I forgot, I'm going to harvest this. This is scallion or green onions that I've planted. One patch of this. It's just a straight line, like a border line that I use like my sacrificial plant for my vegetables, leafy green vegetables before. So today I'm going to harvest it because I really want to make green onions pesto. So if you're curious, guys, how to make your own basil pesto, I have a video there for you. But I'm a bit curious. I want to make my own green onion pesto because I have a lot. I've been using really green onions to many dishes. This is really very prolific, and you can throw them in soup, in coconut dishes, stews, even stir fries, throw them in eggs or salsa. Either way, so these are really very prolific. I have a lot of green onions over here. Have you grown this type of onions? This is, I think, a perennial vegetables because it grows year after year. Even though you cut it, It still keep on producing new leaves. And it's a really very low maintenance, and I didn't encounter any pests so much with this type of plant. And as you can see, guys, very bunchy, very really very healthy. They call it also like a Welsh onion, and this it has a very good flower. It already boiled, but I'm going to cut them and save the seed for the next season. So look at this, very very healthy green onions, and I'm so excited to cook them today. Very very fresh, right from the garden. So this is something that you can grow over and over, and really I'm very very prolific. So here we're now inside in the kitchen. I'm going to cook something today, and I'm going to cook the bottle gourd. So here, look at this beautiful tomatoes. So I'm going to save some of the seed for future planting to save it. So I'm gonna just chop it or slice it small or into chunks. So very very fresh, smells so good. I even put some of my small tomatoes there. And then we have here the green onions or the Welsh onions. So I'm going to mix them as well. And this is really very refreshing because it's a really great alternative to regular bulb onions. So this is something that you can grow in a small space, even in containers or pots. And then I'm going to chop some garlic as well. So I think for lunch I'm going to cook this bottle gourd. So here, chop some garlic. So now we're done with the green onions and garlic. Look so green and fresh now. Look at this beautiful bottle gourd. So let's see what's inside. It's really pretty young. It's not so much tough. So I get beautiful seed here. It's still young. The seed is tender. So I'm going to cut this and peel this bottle gourd, guys. Have you eaten bottle gourd before? And if so, how you cook it? Please share it with us. This is really very meaty. Look at this. And as you can see from its name, it's bottle gourd. It got a lot of water inside. So I'm going to chop this not too thick. It's like this, just thinly. But really, you can cut it any way you want. Some people they love to grill it, make stew, different types or soups. So here it is. I have chopped it all, and let's go here now. In the pan, I drizzle some olive oil here. Now the ingredients are ready. Drop the garlic and saute them a bit. Wait until when they get a little bit golden. And now it's time to drop these beautiful tomatoes I have mixed there. My tiny tim, tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and my tiny tim tomatoes, and as well as my wild tomatoes. Next, let's throw these onions. It is really you can throw them a little bit later if you like, if you don't like it to be overcooked. But I decided to mix it with tomatoes to hug the flavor. And then the bottle gourd. So wow, it is full already. So let's stir them a bit. So bottle gourd really is really very easy to cook. You don't want to cut the heat so high. Just, cook it in medium over it, as you can see. is boiling, and if the color of the bottle gourd is still like the same color, like it's raw or white, not transparent or translucent, is still not yet cooked. So let's cover it more. This is really very delicious. I did not put any meat or chicken, but it's really an option. If you love meat, you can always add it. So here, very beautiful. Let's stir it. You can add salt and pepper to taste. Some are still not yet cooked, so I'm going to let it cook for like 5 minutes or so. Look at this beautiful bottle gourd. So you can eat it as ease or eat it with rice, any way you want it. It is really a really super healthy bottle gourd. If you're curious, guys, on how to grow your very own bottle gourd, I have a playlist there for you. Please check it out later if you like. I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching for another early summer garden harvest and cooking with me. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you. See you again next time. Bye.